Exploring healthcare transparency, Trump's order, and a rising movement uniting diverse voices.
This was like
about price transparency. Yes,
Yeah.
I did see this, and it's amazing because I've been kind of one of these people that's been beating the drum on the health stuff. Before it was cool, like I was called anti-vax and whatever, irresponsible, stupid, you're going to kill your kids because polio is going to come back, all the good things people say on the internet. And it's so great to see that something that I've been saying publicly, I've been saying this since I was 20, since I was vax injured, but something that I've been saying since I've had a platform is finally catching and people are starting to ask questions. And so I think that that's actually one of the places where the left and the right come together, because I say to my conservatives actually caught on late to the health movement. It was actually these leftist moms who were like super granola and crunchy,
I believe that for sure.
Yeah, and California moms, and they were the ones that were they were behind that health campaign long before conservatives caught on to it. And so, and where there was no information for parents who didn't want to choose to vaccinate their children. And I found RFK Jr., who I had disagreements with, but he was the only person that was publishing information via his Children's Health Defense website. And I printed out everything and learned everything kind of from the beginning. And so to see this now become like a national movement is so cool. It's just about people having rights. You know what I mean? You shouldn't be blindfolded when you go into a hospital. You're there for a couple hours and you get a bill that's $2,000. You're like, yeah, that Tylenol we gave you, that was $300. Well, I would have never taken the effing Tylenol if I knew it was going to be $300.
Yeah, they're like, it was mined from the Tylenol mines in Rome or whatever. And you're like, you're lying. This is unbelievable, though. I mean, I think this is amazing. This is empowering patients through radical price transparency. Today, President Trump signed an executive order to empower patients with clear, accurate, and actionable healthcare pricing information. The order directs the Department of Treasury, Labor and Health and Human Services to rapidly implement and enforce the healthcare price transparency regulations. The departments will ensure hospitals and insurers disclose actual prices, not estimates, and take action to make prices comparable across hospitals. And I think because the number one cause, this is one thing that I've never really been super political, but one thing that I did latch on to over the past few years is this program called Power to the Patients, and Fat Joe has been an advocate for them. We've done some stuff for them. John Jones, the UFC fighter, but it's that when you go to there they are right there. When you go to the hospital, they can just say, agree to pay. Mm-hmm. Then you get the bill later and the prices are insane, but you have no idea what the prices are.
They're burglars and they're not even wearing fascinators.